Are you worried about your everyday snack and food storage? Today we are going to show you how to get rid of the clip sealers and rubber bands to seal your plastic and aluminum food bags. This is a compact and portable 2-in-1 sealer and cutter from Seg Mini Smart that we have purchased from Amazon. I am going to unbox it in front of you today. Here it says it has these features: fast heat function, high temperature resistance belt, slide cover protection. I am going to unbox it now in front of you. With this device, you can seal any plastic or aluminum bags and make them airtight. This device comes with a guide on how to install and use it. This is the mini heat sealing device and is approximately 3 inches long and weighs less than 150 grams with the batteries. It has a built-in sliding blade and a hook on the side to hang it wherever you like. And it has a magnetic base that enables it to stick easily to the appliances in the kitchen. To test if it can easily stick to the appliances in the kitchen, I have this metal piece and I'm testing its grip and it looks pretty good. This is how it looks, and now I'll show you how to install the batteries to it. Flip the top cover of the device to 180 degrees and then slide this second cover backwards to install the batteries. This product doesn't come with the batteries and should be powered by 2 AA batteries. Once the batteries are installed, put the sliding cover back and flip back the top cover. Now the device is ready to use. Now whenever you are ready to start sealing the bags, you need to pull this part slightly down. Be careful, when you press this device, these two white objects touch each other and it produces significant heat to seal the plastic bag. Now let me show you how to seal a bag with this device. Previously I had used a plastic clip to seal this bag. Now I can get rid of it because of the amazing sealer. Here I have an open bag of potato fries that I will not be using for a while, so I'm going to seal it for future use. Remember, I had already slided the middle cover slightly down. Now hold the plastic bag in one hand. Put a cornermost part of the bag between the two white objects and press and hold the sealer gently and slide it across the bag from left to right. Here you will notice a thin line on the plastic bag. This is because the bag has now been sealed. It keeps the product fresh, prevents the air or moisture to get in. When this device is not being used, please make sure you slide and close the cover to prevent injury, so that accidentally if you press the device while holding it, it doesn't produce heat or cause battery loss. So here is the amazing mini heat sealer. In case you would like to buy it, I have provided the link in the description below, which takes you directly to Amazon's website to purchase it. Please subscribe to our channel Review Turn and hit the bell icon for notification regarding more interesting videos on various products. Please like the video and leave us your comments to let us know if the video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.